Today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the local print spooler service not running in Windows 10 PC. You can face an error: the local print spooler service is not running when trying to install a new printer, when opening the settings of the configured local printer or trying to print any file. This error may appear in Windows 10, Windows 8.1 or 7. So fix this problem, follow my all step, don't skip the video. First, go to Start menu and search Services. After searching the services, then you have to open the services by clicking. Otherwise the services window can be opened in another way. You just press Window key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc, then select OK. Moving on, in the services window, scroll down and look for printer spooler service. Since you're facing this problem, and if this service is culprit for that, you may find it not running. Double-click on the service to modify its status. After opening the printer spooler services, you will see that the service status has stopped. See, status type is disabled. You simply select Automatic, then click Apply button. Then click Start button to start the service status. Whenever you start, you will see your service's status is started or enabled. Thereafter click to OK button. Note this point in the printer spooler service property sheet. Firstly, make sure that you've set startup type to automatic or manual. Then click Start button to propagate the service. Click Apply followed by OK. Restart the computer and try to install the printer again. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubts related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.